Hello and welcome back to your channel. Now we are starting exercise 3.1 question number 2. So what is given? The coach of a cricket team buys 3 bat and 6 balls for a cost of rupees 3,900. Cost है ना? So we are at the last what is given. Repeat the situation graphically and algebraically. So let us start. Let a coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls. 3 bat लेके आता है, 6 ball लेके आता है. कितने की? 3,900 की. Let the cost of 1 bat is equals to x. So let us assume let the cost of a bat means 1 bat is equals to x and the cost of a ball is equals to y. तो हमने x और y assume कर ली, ठीक है. अब now see according to question. तो very first we have to assume cost. The coach buys 3 bats and 6 balls. अब 3 बैट लेके आया. एक कॉस्ट की according to question, एक बैट की कॉस्ट है x रुपीस. तो 3 बैट की कॉस्ट कितनी हो जाएगी? 3 multiplied by x, so 3x रुपीस. तो ये हो गई कॉस्ट ऑफ 3 बैट्स एंड 6 बॉल्स प्लस 6 बॉल्स और लेके आया. कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 बॉल इज y, तो कॉस्ट ऑफ 6 बॉल इज 6y. तो 3 बॉल और 6 बैट मिला के कितनी कॉस्ट हो गई है? 3,900. 3,900. Again I am repeating. See, listen properly. A coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls and 6 ball दोनों मिला के लेके आया of rupees 3,900. तो first this equation let us divide by 3 because whole equation can be divided by 3. 3 ones are 3, or we can write this equation 3 twos are 6, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 9, 0 0. This constant we divide by 3, so meaning is same. So let us say this is equation number 1. Now second condition what they are saying, later she buys another bat and 3 more balls. Another bat means 1 bat. Second condition, second she buys another bat and 3 more balls. Cost of 3 balls is 3y. 1 ball is a 3y for 1,300 rupees. Okay, so this is second one equation. Okay, represent this situation algebraically and geometrically. तो पहले इसको algebraically denote करना है. तो ये दोनों algebraically denote हो गए. तो ये दोनों हो गए pair of linear equation algebraically. Now we have to denote it at graphically. तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? ग्राफ में डिनोट करने के लिए we want the coordinate of for this equation and for this equation. तो इस equation के लिए अगर हम ग्राफ डिनोट करेंगे for the first one and second one के लिए भी हम ग्राफ के लिए ये डिनोट करेंगे, ठीक है. So we will find the x and y. Same way we will find x and y. ये किसके लिए? x plus 3y equals to 1,300 के लिए. And this first equation x plus 2y equals to 1,300. So let us see whether the graph will intersect or coincident or parallel. Okay. Let us take 3 or 4 points. How many you want? You can take 3 points also. It's up to you. Okay. How many you want? You can take that many points. So for this, let us find roughly what will be the solution of x. a1 upon a2, 1 upon 1, b1 upon b2, 2 upon 3, c1 upon c2, 1,300 upon 33. So these two are not equal and these two are not equal. So when this condition comes, both are a1 upon a2 is not equals to b1 upon b2. So lines are intersecting. That means the graph will come intersecting. The first thing is this. So now let us find at which point they will intersect in rough. So we will solve these two equations. X plus 2y equals to 1,300 and down x plus 3y equals to 1,300. Subtract the equation, minus minus minus, cancel out. Minus y is equals to 0, y equals to 0. Then keep the value of y in one of the equation. So x plus 2 into 0 equals to 1,300. So x is equals to 1,300. So the line will intersect at 1,300, 0. तो 1,300, 0 पर intersect करेंगी. x 1,300 है, y 0 है, ठीक है. So this is roughly we knows. So one of the common point in these two is 1300 and y is 0. X is 1300 and y is 0. Other point we can take with our own. So now this is 1300. So we have to take a big number in hundreds. We cannot take 1, 2, 3. We will take either 100, either 200, either 300. So this is 2. If this is 1200, if this can be 1200, so it is divisible by 2. If this will be 1100, so it is not divisible by 2. So x accordingly we have to take. So if we will take x 200, तो यहाँ जाके क्या हो जाएगा? This is not divisible by 2. So let us see how to take. So we have to take x as that. अगर इसमें से 1000 बना दो इसे, तो it is divisible by 2. So let us take x is equals to first minus 200. Okay. So if I am taking x is equals to minus 200, see minus 200 plus 2 into y equals to 1300. Minus 200 will send this side. 2y is equals to 1500. So y is equals to this is coming 13, 14, 1500. 750. Okay. So 750 we don't know. We can take some other. We can take 300. Okay. Sorry, 200 will not take 300. So that it will become 1000. So 300 will take, this will become 1600. So divisible by 2, 800. Okay, we can take this. Okay, we want to take in whole number. We will take such value that will come in whole number. Okay, so what should we take now? We'll take x is equals to plus 300 plus 2y equals to 1300. So 2y is equals to 1300 minus 300, 1000. So y is equals to 500. If we'll take plus 300, y will come 500. Same way, if we'll take 500, subtract 500 from this 800, so we will get 400. Okay? So one by one, you will take the value of x. Then same way in this also, we want to take in hundreds also. ये 1300 है, अब 3 का मल्टीपल लेना पड़ेगा. So we'll take here 200 minus 200 ले लो. So minus 200 इधर जाके 1500 हो जाएगा. तभी तो 3 से डिवाइड हो पाएगा. अगर हम यहाँ पर 100 लेंगे तो ठीक है 100 ये 1400 हो जाएगा. तो it will not divisible by 3. So 200 will take, so it will become 1500, 500. And again if we'll take x is equals to 100 ले लेते हैं तो 100 यहाँ जाके क्या हो जाएगा minus 100, 1200. तो 1200 से divisible 3 से हो जाता है. ठीक है. We'll take 100. So it will divisible by 3. तो 1200 हो जाएगा. 3 4 जा 12, 400 हो गया. अब यहाँ पर x की वैल्यू कुछ ऐसी ले लो जो इससे डिवाइड हो जाए 3 से. अगर इसे 900 बना दो तो 3 से 900 के अंदर से 400 माइनस करना है. So it will take 400. Let us take 400. तो इसमें it will come 300. Okay. So these are our points. Let us draw the graph for these. So what we will take? We will take such values. You see, we want 1300. So we want the graph. If we'll take graph like this, अगर इसको 100 का लेंगे 200, 300, तो 1300 will come right. So distant. So it will be very big graph. So we want to take such. So 1300 will come closer. So let us take the gap of 200, 200, 200, 400, 600, 800. Then 1000, then 1200 like this. Okay. So minus. So same way here also 200. So now 10 boxes is 200. 1 millimeter. So 10 is equals to 200. So one box will be 200 divided by 10. So 20. So 1 we will count as 20. Okay. So that means this is 200. From here to here we are taking 200. So half of the distance will take 100. Here to here, half of the distance will take 100 to 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800. Like this will get. Okay. And we will denote this points. So I have drawn already the graph for you. Let us see the graph. Okay. So this is your graph for second question. So let us see when x is equals to minus 300. So it is 800. So x is equals to minus 300, it is 800. Same way, x is equals to 300, then 500. X is equals to 300, it is 500. So like this I have denoted the point for first equation and second equation. So the graph is coming like this, see. it is intersecting at 1300, 0. This. The graph is intersecting each other at 1300, 0. So see, the lines are coming intersecting lines. So this is your second question. Okay. So second question is also clear to you. Now let us come to third question. So third question is the cost of 2 kg of apples and 1 kg of grapes. Cost दी है apple और grapes की. So let the cost of 1 kg of apple is equals to x. Let the cost of 1 kg of grapes is. So third question, let the cost of 1 kg of apples is equals to x and the cost of 1 kg of grapes is equals to y. So what they are saying, the cost of 2 kg of apple. तो अगर हमने 1 kg की एप्पल x है तो 2 kg की एप्पल की कॉस्ट कितनी हो जाएगी 2x. साथ में क्या खरीदे, ग्रेप्स खरीदे. तो हाउ मेनी 1 kg ऑफ ग्रेप्स. तो 1 kg ऑफ ग्रेप्स की कॉस्ट कितनी हो जाएगी y ही रहेगी. ऑन अ डे टू बी फाइंड वाज 160. तो इन दोनों की कॉस्ट कितनी हो गई 160. देन सेकेंड इक्वेशन, दिस इज द फर्स्ट इक्वेशन. देन व्हाट दे आर सेइंग, आफ्टर अ मंथ, एक महीने बाद, द कॉस्ट ऑफ 4 kg ऑफ एप्पल. द कॉस्ट ऑफ 4 kg ऑफ एप्पल. तो 1 kg की x है तो 4 kg की 4x. एंड द 2 kg ऑफ ग्रेप्स, 2 kg ऑफ ग्रेप्स साथ साथ खरीदे. सो इज फाउंड टू बी ₹300. तो ये सेकेंड इक्वेशन हो गई. Represent the situation algebraically, already we have denoted, and graphically. So these are our 2 equations. So second equation I can simplify more. So if you can simplify 4, 2, 300. So we can divide this by 2. So what we can write, or 2 2s are x plus 2 1 2 equals to 150. 2 से divide करा. This is your second equation simplified. So now here you got first equation, 2x plus y is equals to 160, 2x plus y is equals to 150. Draw a graph for this. So we will draw the table for this x and y, first equation, and for second equation. This is for second equation, x and y. Okay. So if I am just taking the points, if I simplify in rough, so the solution will come, it is coming 2x plus y. See, let me solve this. 2x plus y is equals to 160. Same way 2x plus y is equals to 150. Let us subtract. Minus, minus, minus. Both are cancelled out. So this is 10. So we don't have y or x. तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, x की जगह हम 1 रखते हैं, यहाँ भी 1 रखते हैं तो भी ये कैंसिल होगा. x की जगह 2 रखते हैं, 2 रखते हैं तो भी कैंसिल हो जाएगा. x की जगह 3 रखते हैं, 3 क्या रखते हैं तो भी कैंसिल हो जाएगा. y की जगह कुछ भी वैल्यू रखे तो भी कैंसिल हो जाएगा. इसका मतलब कि हमारे पास तो ये सोल्यूशन ही नहीं आ रहा है. तो लेट अस सी कि एक भी पॉइंट कॉमन नहीं है. सो कैसी ग्राफ है. तो a1/a2, अगर हम इसमें a1/a2 करें 2/2, b1/b2 1/1, c1/c2 160/150. तो ये दोनों तो 1/1 हो गए, ये दोनों तो इक्वल हो गए, ये इक्वल नहीं है. तो ऐसी वाली कंडीशन किसकी होती है, हमारी पैरेलल लाइंस की. तो a1/a2 is equals to b1/a2 not equals to c1. तो इसका मतलब इसके ग्राफ बनेंगे तो दैट विल बी पैरेलल लाइंस. तो इसमें भी कोई भी पॉइंट हमारे कॉमन नहीं है, सोल्यूशन नहीं होगा. तो इसके भी पॉइंट्स अलग अलग होंगे, इसके पॉइंट्स भी अलग अलग होंगे. ओके, सो वी विल जस्ट टेक द पॉइंट्स. अगर मैं इसके ले लेती हूँ, इसमें अगर 10, 20, 30 रखेंगे तभी तो 200 बनेगा. तो दिस इज ग्रेटर नंबर. सो लेट मी टेक -10 रखेंगे तो -20 180 हो गया. So this will come 180. अगर +10 रखते हैं 10 to the 20 140 हो गया. तो this will become 140. Same way if I am taking 50 तो 50 रखेंगे 100, ये हो जाएगा 60. If I am taking 0 तो यहाँ पर 0 रख देंगे तो this will become 160. ठीक है. ऐसे ही 80 रख देते हैं तो ये 0 हो जाएगा. तो we can take any number of points. Same way for second also. If we are taking 0 तो this will become 150. If we are taking 0y this will become 75. If we are taking 70 this is taking 10. If we are taking this so on, we will take -10, it is coming 170. So let us draw the graph. For drawing the graph we can take the gap. See 10 ये 140 भी है तो इसका मतलब कि 20 का ले लो. ठीक है, that will be come closer. 10 का लोगे तो 140 will come और 170 BAY में, ठीक है. So take the graph of 2020. Denote, draw these two lines already drawn. So the graph will come like this, the parallel line. Okay. The line will not intersect each other, so they are parallel to each other. Okay. So this is your third question, and this is your exercise is completed. So please draw the graph, draw it carefully, and practice it so many times. Then you are able to do it properly. Thank you very much, and do in graph paper. Till then, keep watching the video. Bye bye.